Hello and welcome to the introduction of ProInventory for Envoy. ProInventory for Envoy's goal is to save you time while being mobile friendly, easy to use, and having high performance. Now, let's see the features it provides. First of all, the system was made so that you can create multiple inventories for multiple characters, or for one character, if that's what you want. Like in this example, I have 3 inventories, one for weapons, one for armory, and one for artifacts, and all of them belong to this character here. The artifacts inventory is in fact a scroll view, which you can implement using Envoy really easy. Now, let's add a health potion, which is an artifact. Let's add an axe to the inventory, and let's add another health potion. You can see here that we have item stacking. Now, let's add the other axe, and let's see that we have drag and drop and swapping functionality. And we also have a tooltip system. Great. Now, let's try to add some other items. Right here, I have an armor. And that armor doesn't add automatically like the other items. It shows a window, a pickup window, that asks me if I want to pick up the item or discard it. This can be set up for any item. Now, let's pick up the item, and it goes into the armory. Alright, let's try and add this other axe here. I can carry more of those. Great, we have a messaging system, which is very useful to tell the player whether he's doing the things wrong or not. Okay, so I can carry this axe because it was set as unique, and we already have one here in the inventory. Now, in order to pick up this one, I'm going to delete it using the options window. So the options window is really useful. I'm going to drag the axe here to the container. Containers are really useful and really easy to implement, and we'll show you that in the tutorials. Great. Now, let's delete that axe and add this one. Awesome. What about use and what about inspect? Use is really simple. It uses send message, and you can create your own functions for any item, and it will work just fine. I will show you that in the tutorials too. Now, for the inspect. The inspect, I am working on it right now, so it is not yet available. Okay. I'm going to add the green gem here to show you how the combination system works. So the combination system is really powerful. Now, I have 2 containers here, one for item 1 and another one for item 2. And I have a combination set up. I have a combination for an axe and a green gem. But let's see what happens if I try to combine 2 items that don't belong to a combination set. It says that I can combine them. Alright, now let's try and combine the axe with the green gem here and hit combine. Great, I now have a magical axe, and this was reinforced with magic, and it is a weapon. That's awesome. If I try to combine it again, there are no items. That's great. Now, something I forgot is that the inventory works when it is disabled. I'm going to add a blue gem, a green gem to the scene, and try to pick it up. Let's open up the inventory, and yep, we have the green gem here. That's awesome. The blue gem didn't work because it is not yet made as an item. I will show you how to make items, how to create items in the tutorials, as long as how to use the combination system, how to make your own recipes, and all that stuff. So that's everything for the introduction to ProInventory for Android. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the tutorials.